welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to build a waterproof diving light using only PVC pipes. The idea is simple, but the result is amazing. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First, we sand the PVC pipe using sandpaper. Have you ever made something using PVC? Let me know in the comments. Now we're going to cut the protective plastic for the flashlight, which looks like glass. Now we're going to cut the flashlight holder to fit the PVC pipe. And this is the final result. We're also going to sand this one using sandpaper. Now we're going to solder the connection wires for the flashlight, then fix them inside the PVC pipe using glue. As for the battery, I used 2 lithium cells that I salvaged from an old laptop battery. When it comes to electronic components and other parts, I usually rely on scrap materials as my main source. After installing the connecting wires of the batteries, we will fix them inside the PVC tube. Now we will make the lamp glass support. More inventions are coming. Don't forget to turn on the bell. Now we will prepare a support for the switch and the charging port to prevent water from leaking into the lamp. Now we will connect the linking wires. And this is the charger that we will use to charge the lamp. Awesome! The flashlight works perfectly underwater. What do you think of the result? Is it worth trying?